have this panel and we have this message: thank you for using Delta. Okay, just click here and all scripts. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called apploop.com. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. Let me just show you. So go to your profile official of your Roblox and just copy your link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, then paste it. You have paste button. Okay, press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our Roblox user ID successfully connected. The next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites around this. Apploop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these 3 redirecting tags, guys. So if you have this message, you're on the right ways. Let's wait for this redirecting and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. So what we can play, okay, let's play this Grow Garden, okay. Okay guys, I'm now in the game and I will show you how to use this Delta Executor. Okay, we have this panel and we have this message: thank you for using Delta. Okay, just click here and all scripts what we select are added successfully. So just click execute, wait a little bit and join in your scripts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.